Hello and thank you for purchasing the Cool Off Tropical Breeze Portable Misting Fan. The following step-by-step guide will walk you through how to properly set up your misting fan. Step 1. Attach the 4 wheels to the black base using a crescent wrench or a 3/4 inch socket wrench. Put the large washer on top of the base and the lock washer under the base. Hold the bolt at the top of the wheel below the base with the crescent wrench and tighten the nut on the top with the socket wrench. Step 2. Remove the screw from the end of the black post. Stick the post in the hole on the rear of the base and tighten with a wrench. The height can be adjusted after step 12. Step 3. Slide the gearbox onto the silver upright stem and secure with the set screw here for the desired fan height. Step 4. Place the water vessel onto the base with the outlet hole in the rear. Secure the water pump on the base of the tank under the outlet hole. Run the electrical cord through the hole and secure to the inlet here. Step 5. Pull the drainage tube and the pump outlet through the rear hole and attach the pump outlet as shown. Step 6. Set the fan motor on its back and place the back of the rear fan guard on the motor. Screw on the fan guard with the 4 brass screws provided. Step 7. Place the fan blade on the motor shaft and push on completely. Be sure to have the tightening screw pointed directly at the smooth cutout on the spindle. If this is not aligned properly, the fan blade could release during operation. Step 8. Now for the front. Place the mist plate face down and screw on the front of the fan guard with the 4 screws provided. The front fan guard has a fastening clip which should be at 12 o'clock when finished. Step 9. Place the guards together and slide the small clip over the rear guard. Then snap down the 5 latches. Step 10. Cover the 3 black tubes with the sheath. Step 11. Put the fan motor on the gearbox and fasten the screw to the rear of the hinge. Step 12. Attach the power cable from the fan motor to the inlet on the side of the gearbox. Insert the large black tube into the blue slip lock outlet on the left and attach the smaller black tube to the smaller blue slip lock outlet on the right. Then attach the power cable. The brass arm is secured to the center hole on the motor for the stationary misting and to the outside hole for oscillation. Step 13. Add water, plug in, press mist and fan buttons and enjoy. Thanks again for purchasing the Cool Off Tropical Breeze Portable Misting Fan. We hope you enjoy your purchase.